Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSG Tech. If you are using Firestick or Firestick Lite or Firestick 4K and you're experiencing buffering or slow connection problem, then in today's video I will show you two tips which you can use yourself. The first thing is you can go into the settings page, click on the network and hold your play button for 2 seconds. Then you will get a brief description of the connection status on this screen. As you can see, connection status is good. Our second tip is go into the find section, click on search, type ANALITI speed test and Wi-Fi analyzer. Download this app from the apps and games section. As you can see, it's downloading. It does Wi-Fi speed test and it analyzes your Wi-Fi connection with its stability. As you can see, the app is running for the very first time. You can see that the download speed is 157 Mbps and the upload speed is just close to 150 Mbps with Wi-Fi strength, quality and speed all ticked in green, which means you can play those stream types. On the left hand side, 1080p going up to 8K if your TV is supported. Let's run this test again and see what kind of result we are getting from this app. As you can see, we are starting up from 150 Mbps, moving between 150 and 170. That's the ideal result here. So luckily we have 171 Mbps. Download and upload speed is 100 and I think 65. Let's count on 165. On average we are getting 170 Mbps speed on this device. Then we have benchmark test as well. Then we have automatic tests as well, which you can enable. And also if you sign in, there's an option to monitor 24/7, especially if you are on Wi-Fi connection. So that's it for today's video guys. This is how you can find out about the strength and the quality of your internet, and this is how you can figure out if your internet connection is playing up and you are experiencing a lot of buffering and slow connection or error connections. Thumbs up, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.